Hi, I'm Stacy Bauman, and this is my graphic organizer video explanation. I chose the describing wheel, which is normally used to provide information about a main topic of a story or part of a story. And this is what it looks like. I selected the describing wheel because it was aesthetically pleasing to me. I liked its shape and its city. And I feel it's appropriate to use in an early childhood classroom because it is simple and straightforward. And in a group collaboration or small group setting, there are enough pieces of the pie for all to participate. I would use this in a small group setting of a third grade class in language arts. I would use it as a small group story builder and writing exercise. I would have a group of 4 students because, again, there's 8 pie pieces, so each student will get 2. I will have pre-prepared topics in a hat, and they will be shaped like the oval in the center of the wheel. I will also have pre-prepared triangular pie pieces in 4 different colors. Each student receives 2 triangles of the same color. So, for example, Maria gets 2 red pie pieces. John gets 2 blue pie pieces. Johanna gets 2 green, and Manuel gets 2 purple. And this all equals 8 pieces. The topic will be drawn from the hat. For example, spider. The students will each write 2 things about the spider, 1 on each triangle. It can be anything they like. For example, big, hairy, fast, insect, under my bed. Anything they want, because they will be using this to create a story about a spider. Students will then use glue sticks to paste the triangles into the describing wheel. So if you see here, they will end up with the topic would say, for example, spider, and it will be pasted in. And then each child will paste in their 2 additions or contributions to the story until there are 8 pieces of pie, all making up this particular story. And now they have their pie completed, and they will collaborate on writing a story about a spider or whatever their topic happened to be, because they will be randomly drawn. So it has to include the story, again, can be as creative, as long, or as short as they want, but it must contain all 8 topics, words, adjectives, verbs, whatever it was, phrases that group placed on the pie. I will facilitate and monitor this activity by prepping the activity, holding the hat so that there's no fighting or disagreement or blaming or anything like that, while a student that I pick, or perhaps even me or my assistant teacher, draws the topic. I will provide scaffolding if necessary. Say if there is confusion or writer's block, something along the line of, remember when we read about insects in science last Tuesday? What were some things that you remember about the spider? I will ensure all 8 pieces are unique with no repeats, and I will have all 4 students take turns with writing the story, actually writing the story that the group is creating. I think it would actually be a really fun activity. And then, of course, either that day or the next day, we can display them and read them aloud. Thank you. Hope you liked it.